Hola, hello, welcome to another Spanish lesson. By the end of today's lesson, you'll be able to say there's more than one of something, so by adding a s sound to the ends of words. Not only that, but you'll also get to play one of my special games with some of my friends. Meet Bob, for example. Hola. Yeah, so lots to come. So, in the last lesson, you'll remember that we practiced asking lots of questions to Smokey, my cat. For example, we said, are you thirsty? ¿Tienes sed? Are you hot? ¿Tienes calor? Are you cold? ¿Tienes frío? In today's lesson, we're going to be practicing saying that there's more than one of something, and we'll also play a really fun game. But first, let's practice our numbers. Yesterday, we got all the way up to 40, and 40 in Spanish is 40. Now, we're going to carry on from 40 all the way up to 50. So you're going to repeat after me. Are you ready? Let's go. 40. Muy bien. 41. 42. 43. 44. 45. 46. 47. 48. 49 and 50. Muy bien, well done. Right, before my friends come along, we play this fun game. Let's just practice how to say there's more than one of something. Okay, let's see what's in my hat. It's la gaviota. Seagull. How do you say seagull? Gaviota, that's right. Una gaviota. Muy bien. Now if I want to say lots of seagulls, lots of gaviotas, I just put a s sound at the end of the word. So seagulls is gaviotas. Muy bien. How many seagulls, how many gaviotas can you see in this picture? Uno, dos, tres. Tres gaviotas. Hay tres gaviotas. Muy bien, well done. Let's see if there's anything else in my hat. What's this? How do we say this? Una manzana. Una manzana. One apple or an apple, una manzana. I want to say lots of apples. I say, yeah, you guessed it, manzanas. Manzanas. Repeat after me. Manzanas. Muy bien. So how many manzanas can you see in this picture? I can see uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho. Hay ocho manzanas. Muy bien. Right, it's time to play a game that I love called Secret Sentence. This is how to play. I'm going to give you a conjugated verb. I'm going to give you a number, and I'm going to give you an object, and you have to figure out what the secret sentence is. This is my first secret sentence, and then my special friend is going to tell us what the answer is. So I have. How do we say I have? Tengo. What's this number? Muy bien. Cuatro. And how do we say frog in Spanish? Rana. So we've got tengo cuatro. We need to make this more than one, don't we? Ranas. So what's the full sentence then? Let's see if you're right. Tengo 4 ranas. Muy bien. It's time now for our next secret sentence. Let's see what I have. I want. How do I say I want? Quiero. Quiero. Muy bien. 27. Oh, that's a difficult number. 20 was 20. 27 then. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Muy bien. And how did we say banana? Plátano. And if there's more than one, plátanos. So, quiero 27 plátanos. Have a go at saying the full sentence. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Let's see if you were right.
Quiero 27 plátanos.
Muy bien, well done. You're getting really good at this. Okay, I've got another secret sentence here. Do you want? So I want was quiero. Do you want? Quieres. Repeat after me. Quieres. Muy bien. Quieres. What number is this? 3. Quieres 3. And what animal was this? Toro. And plural? Toros. Quieres 3 toros? Your turn, the whole sentence. 3, 2, 1. Let's see if you were right. ¿Quieres 3 toros? Muy bien. Well done. Do you want 3 bulls? ¿Quieres 3 toros? Well done. I've got another secret sentence. Do you have? And we did this in our last lesson when we were asking Smokey, are you tired? Are you hungry? It was Tienes. Tienes. 8. And this was naranja. And in plural then, when there's more than one, because there's going to be 8 of them, naranjas. Tienes 8 naranjas. Can you say the full sentence now? 3, 2, 1. Let's see if you were right. ¿Tienes 8 naranjas? Muy bien. Do you have 8 oranges? Is ¿Tienes 8 naranjas? Well done. I've got one last final secret sentence for you to get. And it's made up of are there I 50. 50, this is one of our numbers from today. 50. And on my plate I've got a biscuit, it's galleta. So let's see. I 50. I'm making this plural. Galletas. Can you say the sentence now? 3, 2, 1, go. Let's see if you were right. Hay 50 galletas. Muy bien, well done. Are there 50 biscuits would be hay 50 galletas. Good. Now you can practice this game with your mums, dads, brothers and sisters. Just find the objects and the numbers and see if you can do it to them. Keep practicing as much as you can. The more you practice, the better your Spanish will be. So it's time to say see you later, which is hasta luego. Hasta luego.
Hasta luego.
Hasta luego. Hasta luego. Hasta luego.